check this out. So here they're paying you 25 cents for photo view. So you just have to view it. That's all you have to do. Check out Mike over here. He's actually had 49.4 thousand views on his photos. So if you actually pull that up, so for example, 49,000 views times 25 cents, this guy's made 12,000, a little bit over $12,000 just for people viewing their photos. So that is crazy and insane. So what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Thanks for coming back with me again on this channel. We're going to be looking at how to make money just where you can upload free photos and people are going to view them and you'll get paid 25 cents per photo view. So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe, please like this video and hit that notification bar so you can get more. When I upload videos, you'll get notifications or get notified when I actually upload new videos and I talk about affiliate marketing, different ways to make money online. As you can see here, we're gonna be talking about this here and pretty much just kind of online business, passive income kind of ideas. So today we're gonna be looking at how you can actually upload free photos onto this website and you'll actually get paid and people are gonna come and just view them. So not click likes or buy whatever, just view them. So it's actually crazy. So before we get into this actual website where we're going to upload them, let's go ahead and see where we're going to pick out our photos. Okay, like I said, this is going to be all free. This is not going to cost anything, and there are going to be different places where we're actually going to go and pick out our photos. The first one's going to be Pixabay. So if you kind of see here, I have it in my favorites, but it's Pixabay. So this is actual website where you could actually download free videos, free movies, short films that they have, everything for free. So the key to this is obviously you want people to watch to see your photos, right? So you have to pick out photos or photos that actually attract people, right? So I'm gonna pick, for example, just like animals. Anybody loves animals, right? Right now on TikTok, you hold a little puppy in your hands and boom, you just have like 100,000 likes, right? So simple like that. So let's go ahead and just put in animals just for the purpose of this actual video so I can show you and walk you through step by step how to actually go and pick photos, upload them, and get paid. Okay, so Pixabay is going to be this one place, and you kind of see that there's a lot of cute little animals. You know, I mean, these actually look really good and they're good quality. I'm just gonna pick. Let's just go with this lion here. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick this lion. Let's see. So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna free download. Okay, we're gonna download it. I am not a robot. Oh, I guess it's got to load here. There we go. There we go. Cool. And of course, if you want to donate, you can go donate, but definitely don't have to. Okay. So I just downloaded this one photo. Let me just name this so I know. Name it, and I'm going to just put it on my desktop just for right now so I know exactly where that's at. That's actually a really good quality. So this is going to be the first website, right? The second website that you could actually go and pick out free videos it's going to be called Pexels. The first one was Pixabay. Second one's going to be Pexels right here. Okay. And once again, search photos, videos. I'm just going to put in animals, cute animals. And it could be anything from nature, right? It could be buildings, you know, just videos, photos that people like to watch. Like, look at this, actually is really good quality, you know. You can actually pick some out. And yeah, so you have polar bears, horse right here. So this is actually really cool. So this is going to be the second website, okay? The third website is going to be Google. So here on Google, but you got to be careful on this, the way this is, because you have to actually get photos that are not licensed, okay? That are not registered or because that's obviously illegal to actually pull them out. So let's go ahead and type in animals here, okay? So you're gonna type in whatever you're gonna pick, right? Whichever folders you're gonna go. So I'm gonna stick with animals. You're gonna go down here to images, or come down to tools. You're gonna come to tools, sorry about that. And when you come down to tool, you're gonna go to usage rights, and then Creative Commons licenses, okay? This is pretty much meaning where they're licensable. These are still registered. You can actually use these for your own personal use, okay? And in this situation, we're going to download them and post them onto this website that I'm gonna show you, okay? So make sure that you can, these are actually the 3 places that you can go to get free videos. I'm sorry, free movie photos. I don't know why I keep saying videos for whatever reason. So, okay. So let's say we do have our photos, right? Now you're gonna come to this website. It's called ClickASnap, okay? So you can actually Google it, ClickASnap.com. This is where you're gonna go ahead and actually post your photos that you actually have, okay? The way it works, you kind of see how it is. So it's sign up, you can sign up for free. They pay you 25 cents per photo view. As soon as you hit a minimum of $15, you'll be able to get paid out through PayPal, okay? So PayPal is actually very simple to set up. If you don't have one, you can actually set that up, they'll be able to transfer the money or the funds into your PayPal account, and then from there you can transfer it into your own bank or wherever you want to do it, okay? So you can kind of see that there's millions of views per month, and the crazy thing is about this website is it's actually relatively new, so there's not a lot of traffic, a lot of hype on this. So your photos, if you get on it pretty quickly before the whole hype and everything, your photos will actually be viewed a lot, okay? Easy way, just like I was explaining earlier, you upload your photos, people view them, and then you just get paid. Once you reach $15, you'll go ahead and get paid out through PayPal, okay? Safely and security. So that's pretty much all you got to do. So I'm going to walk you through. So let's go ahead and sign up. I already signed up on here, but in order for you to do that, all you got to do is come up here. If you have a Facebook account, you can do it through there, Google, Twitter, or just put in a simple email address and your username. Okay, so I actually logged in here. I didn't want to, I just kind of sped it up so you guys don't have to see the registration or anything. I did have an account. So I actually just signed in here to my account. So it's relatively new, just like as you're actually watching this here too. But you can kind of see that in the front, you can kind of see that there's actually different photos as far as what you like to view. They kind of give you some suggestions. You can come up here to explore. So explore, and right here they have different categories, landscape, travel, animals, buildings, and this also gives you an idea on what they have and what you could actually post on here as well. So if you come down here to the right, marketplace, if you are an actual photographer or you have photos of yourself that you've taken pictures of, you could actually go onto this marketplace here and actually sell your own photos. For example, like what is it called? Shutterbox. Damn it, I'm not gonna Shutter. Damn it, it's gonna hit me right now. It's gonna hit me like until I get to the end of the video. But pretty much, you can actually sell your photos here, and people can buy them if you wanted to. So of course, if you have like a good quality camera, some equipment or whatever, and they're actually good quality pictures, you can upload them here and do that. So, well, looks like that's not working for right now. I don't know what's going on. But in order for you, so let's say we do have our videos, right? You're gonna come up here to upload. Okay, and like I said, everything is free. You can just go ahead and click on here, and you're going to select your photos that you have. I threw mine in desktop here, so you can kind of see here's a lion, and there it is. You just upload it, you put in a description, the title, and of course your tags. If you're actually relatively new to social media, tags are very important because that actually tells the website or the algorithm or the computer to who to send it to, right? So if you are actually if you are new to, or if you're not new to social media, you know what tags are. That actually helps you get these photos in front of the right person that's going to be able to view them. So that's pretty much all you do, and then you just add your photos. There are actual caps. For example, here you can only upload 6 uploads a week, right? So I think you could do like 6 uploads in a week, and then like 1 video per day or per week or something like that. Don't quote me, I gotta look at that. But that's all you really have to do. And of course, once it's out there, out into the world or on the website, people are going to be able to view them. Now, you can actually upgrade and pay a subscription. If you come up here, you kind of see that here it is free, but you also have some actual other ones. Ad free if you don't want any ads, the seller, and of course the pro seller. It's only $2 a month, 4 and 6. So it just all depends on your situation and what you want. Maybe you're a photographer and you want to go all in on this, make some extra cash while you're taking pictures or running your own business or whatever, right? So this is another way on how to make money online. And like I said, this platform is actually relatively new. It is if you get on this early, you're gonna have a better chance on having people view your photos. And of course, the more people that view your photos, you'll be able to make money off that, right? And of course, once you hit your $15, you can actually withdraw it. So it's not a lot, but it's something, just maybe something. Maybe you're bored or whatever the case is. Maybe you like doing this type of stuff. I don't know. So just kind of another video here to kind of show you that there's also another way to make money online. if you actually want to make money the way I make money online, there's going to be a link down in the description here. It's going to be the first one. If you click on it, it's going to take you through the process, and it's going to explain to you what I do, how it works, all that actual bells and whistles. Okay, if you have any questions on it, please feel free to comment below. If you guys have questions on this video here, also comment below. Let me know if you guys if you guys actually understood it, if you guys didn't, if I missed a part. But it's pretty simple, right? It's pretty simple as far as how it goes. First thing you want to do is grab your pictures. There's the first website is going to be Pixabay. Second one's going to be Pexels. And then the third one's going to go under Google. Okay, remember Google, you're going to go over to Tools. And then you're going to come over to Creative Commons license. Okay, so pick out your actual photos, upload them up to ClickASnap, and then just let it do its work, right? So that's pretty much it on this one. If you guys have any questions, as I said, please actually write them here in the comments. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe. That way I could actually grow and bring you more information, more content, more ideas on how to make money online here, okay? So once again, thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.